Hey everyone, Mark here. Today I'm excited to show you the new Tucker Pure Water Cart. The Tucker Pure Water Cart brings us into the 21st century in a big way, ditching the detergent and embracing pure water window cleaning. And what better way to do it than this affordable, user-friendly, 3-stage filter system. The 3 filters are, at the front, a combined carbon sediment filter, which will take out the chlorine as well as physical particles in the water before going into an RO membrane. Out of the RO membrane, we go into the DI filter system, and then finally our output of pure water, ready for window cleaning. When you first receive your system, it'll pretty much be fully assembled, except for these 2 hoses, which are labeled. One will tell you to insert into the side hole. This is your RO bypass hose. And the other will be labeled for the center hole. This is your pure water output from the reverse osmosis membrane. The Tucker cart comes equipped with a long life, top of the line RO membrane. Should you ever have to change it or perform maintenance, you simply remove these 2 hoses, pull out this double pin, and use it to pry open the top of the housing. Here is what it looks like inside. Along with your system, you'll also receive a box full of goodies. A filter wrench for the carbon sediment filter, a wrench for the DI filter, a handheld TDS meter, and 50 feet of pure water hose. This goes from the output of your machine close to your work area. The Tucker cart comes with large inflated wheels, making it easy to get over any kind of terrain. It's also very light, so it's easy to get in and out of vehicles. After hooking up your input hose, you'll want to open up the RO bypass valve to the fully open position and do a pre-flush for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Notice how much water is coming out of the bypass hose. When you're done your flush, close the valve. This puts it to the operating position. There will still be water coming out of the bypass hose. This is normal. And all the rest of the water will be going towards the pure side. With your pole hose hooked up, let's fill the cap of the TDS meter with some water and do a test reading. If it's 100% pure, we'll be getting 000 TDS. After running about 5,000 gallons through your system, you'll want to change the carbon sediment filter. This helps to protect the RO membrane. After loosening it up with the wrench, you can do the rest by hand. Inside you'll find a 10-inch carbon sediment filter. You simply need to hand tighten the carbon sediment filter housing. With the Tucker Pure Water Cart, you should be able to achieve spot-free window cleaning results with TDS readings as high as 10 parts per million. But should you go over that, this is the time you'll want to be changing your DI resin. At this point, you can change the whole cartridge, or if you've purchased mixed bed DI resin from your supplier, then you can simply open up the canister, dump out the old DI, and put in new. Making sure that this white foam donut thing is sitting on top. Make sure that the O-ring is sitting properly on the top of the housing rim and free of any dirt. Then you can reinstall onto the system. Again, hand tightening is sufficient. All of these instructions are included in the manual as well as printed on the side of the machine, so you can't go wrong. Well, I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Tucker cart today. And just in case any of you are wondering, if you ever have to operate the system on uneven ground, you can certainly lay it down horizontally. Anyway, that's all we've got for today, but thanks for watching. Bye for now.